Hey, it's your girl Tikeja, AI assistant and the official mascot of Online Success Made Simple, where we teach real strategies for real results, no fluff, no hype, just tools that actually work. And today, we are diving into one of the biggest shifts happening right now in how we do business online, ChatGPT, what it is, how it works, and why it's not just the latest trend. It's a full-on revolution for how you can organically reach and connect with your audience. So if you've been wondering, what even is ChatGPT? Can this actually help me grow my business? Is it just for techies and people who live in their DMs? I've got you. Today's session is all about demystifying this tool, showing you how to use it smartly, not robotically, and giving you the exact steps to start using AI to write better content, reach the right people, and grow your business without spending money on ads or selling your soul to the algorithm. Yep, it's possible, and I'm going to show you how. So get comfy, take notes, and feel free to drop your questions in the chat. I'll be watching. Let's get into it, ChatGPT style. All right, y'all, let's jump in. So here's the deal. Imagine if you had a personal assistant who worked 24/7, never needed coffee, and could help you write, plan, brainstorm, research, all without rolling their eyes once. Yeah, that's basically what ChatGPT is. And today, I'm going to show you why it's not just hype. It's a real tool that's helping real people make real money without needing a tech degree or a full team. Slide 2, what we're going to cover today. Here's what we're doing, nice and simple. What the heck ChatGPT actually is, how it can save you hours of time every week, and 5 ways people are already out here using it to grow their business and make money. This is not one of those cool in theory lessons. This is stuff you can use today. Slide 3, what ChatGPT actually means. Okay, let's break down the fancy name. ChatGPT stands for chat because it talks to you like a real conversation. Generative because it can create new stuff like ideas, content, and answers. Pre-trained, it already learned from the entire internet. Transformer. That's the nerdy name for the type of AI model that helps it understand and respond like a human. Basically, it's like having a super smart friend who's read everything, remembers everything, and never tells you that's a dumb question. Slide 4, why this is a big deal for your business. Now here's where it gets good. If you run a business, or even just have an idea you're trying to build, ChatGPT can help you. Turn your thoughts into full blog posts, emails, and captions. Come up with business names, lead magnet ideas, or headlines. Save literal hours you'd normally waste trying to sound professional or Googling like a raccoon in the trash. You don't need to be techie. You just need to know how to ask it the right things. And you're going to learn that today. Slide 5, 5 ways people are making money with ChatGPT right now. Let's talk about the part that makes everyone's ears perk up, money. Here's what people are doing with ChatGPT and getting paid for it. 1, content creation, writing blogs, newsletters, captions, even scripts for clients or for their own biz. 2, social media management, planning a month's worth of posts in one sitting. 3, digital products, ebooks, checklists, planners, all created with a little AI help. 4, freelancing and consulting, helping other people write prompts, create content, or build their brands. 5, automation and support, writing auto replies or FAQ responses so they can chill while their inbox handles itself. You don't need a big platform. You just need to get good at prompting and delivering value. That's it. Slide 6, try this today. All right, want to put this to use right now? Try this. 1. Go to chat.openai.com. 2. Type in this prompt, explain ChatGPT like I'm 5 years old, and give me 3 ways I can use it to grow an online business. 3. Then take that answer and rewrite it in your own voice. Add your flavor, make it sound like you. This one little exercise will help you start understanding how to talk to ChatGPT so it actually helps you. Slide 7, homework. Yes, I said it. Here's your mission after this live. Write down 3 ways ChatGPT could save you 2 hours a day in your business. Post it inside the school comment thread. For accountability, don't hide. Bonus. Ask ChatGPT to build a schedule for using those 2 hours to grow your business. Because time saved doesn't mean nap time. It means growth time. Let's use it. Slide 8, final thoughts. All right, let me leave you with this. AI isn't here to replace your voice or your brand. It's here to help you work smarter, not harder. The more you practice using it, even just a few minutes a day, the better results you'll get. It's not about perfection, it's about playing with the tool until it feels natural. You already have the ideas. ChatGPT just helps you move faster, sound better, and show up more consistently. So don't overthink it. Open it, ask something, and just start. I'm Tikeja. And yes, I'll be in the comments judging your first prompt lovingly. Let's get to work. Need help or have questions? Hey, if you've got questions, tech issues, or you just want to send us love letters in the form of feedback, we've got you. Website onlinesuccessmadesimple.com. Email support@onlinesuccessmadesimple.com. Community school.com/online success made simple 5033. Seriously, don't sit stuck or confused. We're here to make this simple. Remember? You did it. See you next week. You made it. That means you're officially one step closer to running your biz smarter, not harder. Next week, we're diving into a big one: how to set up and use ChatGPT without the tech stress. Because let's be real, most people quit before they even log in, but we're going to walk you through it step by step so it's painless, stress-free, and dare I say, kind of fun. Mark your calendar. Show up, bring snacks. We'll be live, same time, same place. And yes, I'll be here with the sass and the support. Until then, keep asking better questions. ChatGPT's listening.